16, 17, 19, 30. So, in this given set, we have even data. We have no middle. What we are going to do is to add the middle values, which are 15 and 16. So, we have, if we are going to add 15 plus 16, what is the answer? 31 divided by 2. So, our median is 15.5. Did you get how to get the median?
Yes.
The next is what we call mode. Okay, when we say mode, who wants to read? Raisa. The mode.
The mode or the mode.
Please stand up.
The mode or the model scores is scores that appeared most in the distribution.
Okay, thank you. So, the mode or the modal score is the score which occurred the most. When we say occurred the most, what does it mean, Jamaica?
Pag pinakamadaling number.
Okay, pinakamaraming number o pinakamadalas na ulit. So, in mode, we have different types of mode. First is unimodal. When we say unimodal, according to the definition, a distribution of scores that consists only one mode. If the set of number has only one mode is we call unimodal. How about bimodal? Please read Jamaica G.
Is a distribution of score that consists of the two modes.
Okay, if there are two modes, two numbers are most occurred or occurred frequently, we call it bimodal. And if there are three modes, that is what we call trimodal. And if there are more than three, we call it multimodal. And if there are no existing mode, we just call it no mode. If the values are all single, no repeated, we call it no mode. In the given example, we have, please read the data, Jamaica G.
25,
25,
24,
24,
24,
20, 20,
20,
20,
16,
16,
12,
12,
10,
10,
7,
7. So, which number occurred the most?
20.
Number 20, which occurs 3 times. So, our mode is 20. What type of mode is that?
Trimodal.
That is only one. Unimodal. Unimodal. Pag iisa lang, uni. Pag dalawa, bi. And then, pag tatlo, tri. Pag maraming, multi. And then, pag wala, no mode. Oh, do you have any question?
None.
None. So, I have an activity for you as a group. So, I have a table here. You will identify the mean, median, and mode of the set score B. Okay, you will work as a group. 5 minutes to answer the,
Mode.
you will get the mean, median, and mode. Are you done? Tapos na ba kayo?
Di pa.
Not yet. Okay. Just raise your hand if you are done. Okay. So, what is your mean? What is your mean?
17.2.
What about your median?
18.
What about your mode?
24 and 18.
So, what type of mode is that?
Bimodal.
Okay, bimodal. Very good. Okay, class? Because of that, give yourselves 10 clap. 1, 2, 3, go! Okay. Before we start the lesson, I have put some questions on in your desk. So, search for the question and try to answer each of them. Everybody get your questions? Okay, let's start with the one who get the question about mean. Who get a question about mean? Okay, Riza, what is your question?
How can we get the mean of the given data?
Okay, how can we get the mean of the given data? What is your answer?
Ano po, pagsasama-samahin mo lahat ng average. Tapos, kung ilan po yung kung ilan po yung number, kunwari po 7, tapos doon po i-divide. Divide din yung average.
Okay, very good. So, to get the mean, you are going to get the sum of all data or all the values divided by the number of values. Very good. Let's give her 5 claps. Next, how about who get the question about median? Anyone who get the question about median?
How can
Okay, John Briggs. Louder.
we get the median?
Okay, how can we get the median? So, we are going to determine the median by looking for what score is in the middle or nasa gitna. What if we have even set of data? We have 2 middle numbers. What are we going to do? Bago natin i-divide, i-add muna natin yung dalawang nasa middle. I-add natin. Halimbawa, dun sa given natin na 15 and 16 doon sa kanina, dalawa sila, i-add natin, di ba? 15 and 16 divided by 2, ang sagot natin ay 15.5. How about questions about mode? Who get, okay. Sabay ka, G.
How can we get the mode?
Okay.
When scores that occurred most in the distribution.
Okay. So, the mode is the score that occurred mostly. What else?
Is it possible to have a set of data with 2 modes?
Is it possible? Okay, what do we call that set of data with 2 modes?
Bimodal.
Okay, what else?
Is it possible to have a set of data that has no mode?
Okay, is it possible?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So, let's give John Briggs 5 claps also. And Jamaica Jean 5 claps. Okay, now, do you have any questions?
None.
None. Since you have no questions, please get a piece of paper and we are going to answer these questions. You are going to encircle the letter of the correct answer. Now, you will just write your answer on your paper. Exchange paper. Are you done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, who got 5 correct answers? Who got 4? Okay, very good. Okay, that's all for today, class. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye, sir.
Okay, see you tomorrow.